Welcome back, my dear student. This is Edwin from the future. So I'm already done with the course and I just came back here just to warn you about something, all right? Whatever we did on lecture 30 with the session destroy is over, all right? So make sure that you comment that code out. Comment it out, and when you need it, you can use it. All right, and this is basically for debugging purposes only. So make sure that you comment this out. You can even take it off if you like. All right, because we're going to be dealing with sessions a lot, adding stuff to the cart. And if you have this on, you're going to have issues later on because this is going to destroy your sessions every time you try to create it. All right, now all this code that you see in front of you, do not worry about it. Do not worry about what you see on the left. Do not worry what you see on the right. Remember, I'm Edwin from the future, and if you don't have this code, you will in the future. All right, so anyway, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying the course. It's a pleasure to teach you different stuff every day, and I'm just so glad that you're in the course. And you'll probably see someone Edwin from the future in later lectures later on if I need to warn you about something. All right, say hi to Edwin from the past for me, and many blessings to you. See you in the next lectures.